The quest to bridge language barriers is not new. For centuries, humans have sought ways to understand and communicate with one another across linguistic divides. Early attempts at machine translation, dating back to the mid-20th century, relied on rule-based systems. These systems were like intricate dictionaries programmed with grammatical rules and vocabulary. They attempted to translate text by meticulously following these predefined rules. However, language is a complex and nuanced beast. Rule-based systems struggle to capture the fluidity and subtleties of human language. They often produce stilted and unnatural-sounding translations, failing to grasp the nuances of grammar and context. These early systems, while groundbreaking for their time, highlighted the challenges inherent in automating the art of translation. Despite their limitations, rule-based systems laid the foundation for future advancements in machine translation. They represented the first steps towards a future where language barriers would become less formidable. These early efforts paved the way for more sophisticated approaches, driven by the exponential growth of computing power and the emergence of new technologies, led to the development of statistical machine translation, or SMT, in the late 20th century. SMT marked a significant shift in approach. Instead of relying solely on predefined rules, SMT systems leveraged the power of statistics. They analyzed vast amounts of bilingual text data, known as corpora, to identify patterns and correlations between languages. Imagine feeding a massive library of translated books and documents into a machine. The machine then uses statistical analysis to learn the probability of words and phrases appearing together in different languages. This statistical approach allowed SMT systems to generate more fluent and natural-sounding translations compared to their rule-based predecessors. SMT systems excelled at capturing common phrases and idioms, making translations more relatable to native speakers. They represented a significant leap forward in the evolution of machine translation, demonstrating the potential of data-driven approaches. However, SMT systems still had their shortcomings. The advent of neural machine translation, or NMT, in the 21st century marked a paradigm shift in the field of language translation. NMT, powered by artificial neural networks, brought about a revolutionary change in how machines approach translation. Unlike rule-based and statistical systems, NMT systems learn to translate by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying complex patterns and relationships between languages. Imagine a network of interconnected nodes, mimicking the structure of the human brain. Each node learns to process and understand different aspects of language, from individual words to grammatical structures and contextual cues. This deep learning approach allows NMT systems to produce translations that are not only more accurate but also more natural sounding and contextually relevant. NMT systems excel at capturing the nuances and subtleties of human language, including idioms, humor, and cultural references that often eluded previous translation methods. They represent a significant step towards achieving human-level translation quality. The integration of artificial intelligence, particularly deep learning and natural language processing, has dramatically enhanced the accuracy and fluency of automated translations. AI-powered translation tools are now capable of producing translations that are more human-like and contextually appropriate than ever before. AI models trained on massive datasets of text and code have learned to understand the nuances of language and grammar in ways that were previously unimaginable. These models can identify and translate complex sentence structures, idiomatic expressions, and even cultural references with remarkable accuracy. The result is a translation that reads less like a machine-generated output and more like the work of a skilled human translator. The impact of AI on translation accuracy is particularly evident in the rise of platforms like DeepL. DeepL, known for its highly accurate and natural-sounding translations, leverages deep learning algorithms to analyze and understand the meaning of text before translating it. This approach allows deep to capture the subtleties of language, resulting in translations that are often indistinguishable from human-generated translations. One of the most exciting advancements in AI translation is the emergence of zero-shot translation. This groundbreaking technology allows AI systems to translate between language pairs they have never explicitly seen before. Imagine a world where language barriers cease to exist, where people can communicate effortlessly regardless of their native tongues. Zero-shot translation is making this vision a reality. By leveraging the power of deep learning, AI models can now identify commonalities and patterns across different languages, enabling them to translate between languages they have not been specifically trained on. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize global communication, breaking down language barriers in unprecedented ways. Another groundbreaking development is real-time speech translation. This technology allows for the instantaneous translation of spoken language, enabling seamless conversations between people speaking different languages. Imagine attending an international conference where you can understand every speaker in real time, regardless of their native language. AI translation technologies are not just theoretical, they are being used in a variety of real-world applications. From international business meetings to online content creation, AI is helping to bridge the communication gap. Companies are using AI to translate documents, emails, and even live conversations, making it easier to collaborate across borders. In the healthcare industry, AI translation is helping doctors and patients communicate more effectively, ensuring that language barriers do not impede medical care. The travel industry is also benefiting, with AI-powered translation apps helping tourists navigate foreign countries with ease. These applications are just the beginning, as AI continues to evolve and improve, making global communication more accessible than ever before. Despite the advancements in AI translation, human translators still play a crucial role. AI can handle straightforward translations, but it often struggles with nuances, idioms, and cultural context. Human translators bring a deep understanding of these subtleties, ensuring that translations are not only accurate but also culturally appropriate. In many cases, AI and human translators work together, with AI handling the initial translation and humans refining and perfecting the final product. This collaboration allows for faster and more accurate translations, combining the strengths of both AI and human expertise. As AI technology continues to advance, the role of human translators will continue to evolve, focusing more on quality assurance and specialized translations. The ultimate goal of AI translation technology is universal real-time translation. This would mean that anyone, anywhere, could communicate with anyone else, regardless of language barriers. While we are not quite there yet, we are getting closer every day. Advances in machine learning, natural language processing, and real-time speech recognition are paving the way for this future. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to understanding, where people from different cultures can connect and collaborate effortlessly. Universal real-time translation has the potential to bring us closer together, fostering greater understanding and cooperation on a global scale. The future of AI in translation is bright, and the possibilities are truly limitless. How has AI translation technology impacted your life? What languages would you like to learn or communicate in with AI assistance? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're interested in the future of communication technology, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Beyond the Circuit for more fascinating insights into AI innovations.